Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're stepping into a world where muscle meets utility, where raw American power takes a bold new shape. That's right, we're talking about the 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup. Yeah, you heard that right. Ford has dared to fuse the soul of its most iconic pony car with the practicality of a truck. And the result is something that has the entire automotive world buzzing. This isn't just a pickup with Mustang badges slapped on it. This is a reimagined beast built to dominate highways, back roads, and work sites all at once. Let's dive deep into everything that makes this bold experiment one of the most talked about vehicles of the year. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup, you realize Ford wasn't playing around. The front design instantly screams Mustang, with its aggressive shark nose fascia, sleek LED matrix headlights, and that classic pony emblem proudly centered in the grille. But this time the hood sits higher, muscular and sculpted, with air vents designed not just for looks, but to cool the high-output engine underneath. The front bumper has been redesigned for a truck stance, more rugged, with a beefier skid plate and aerodynamic splitters that still manage to nod to its performance heritage. Move to the side and the transformation becomes even more intriguing. The proportions stretch longer with flared wheel arches housing 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. You'll notice a higher ground clearance than the coupe, but the body lines remain unmistakably Mustang, curvy, athletic, and tense with energy. The cabin section blends seamlessly into a short truck bed that manages to look both sporty and functional. The design team nailed the balance between muscle car attitude and pickup practicality. The back end is perhaps the most jaw-dropping view of all. The tailgate carries the Mustang lettering in bold chrome, with tri-bar LED taillights inspired directly from the coupe version. Dual exhaust outlets sit wide apart, integrated perfectly into the rear bumper, giving off that signature Mustang growl. A small integrated spoiler lip above the tailgate adds to the aerodynamic finish. Open the door and you're greeted by a cabin that mixes rugged functionality with unmistakable Mustang luxury. The 2026 Mustang Pickup doesn't skimp on interior quality. The dashboard feels familiar yet elevated, digital, immersive, and driver-focused. You get a massive 13.2-inch center touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 5 system, seamlessly blending navigation, media, and connectivity. The 12.4-inch digital driver cluster behind the wheel adapts based on driving mode, switching from classic Mustang animations to off-road metrics when needed. The materials scream premium, soft touch leather, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that glows along the doors and footwells. The seats are supportive and deeply bolstered, available in two-tone leather with optional suede inserts. And here's the kicker. Ford made sure to keep it practical too. There's underseat storage, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and even an available fold-flat front passenger seat to extend workspace functionality. In the rear, space is surprisingly generous for a performance-based pickup, offering comfort for adults and a split-fold design for flexibility. The Mustang spirit is alive in every inch, from the flat-bottom steering wheel to the startup roar that vibrates through the cabin. Now let's talk about what truly sets this machine apart. Performance. The 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup offers multiple engine options, but the headliner is a 5.0-liter V8 Coyote engine, pushing around 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those who prefer a greener touch, there's also a hybrid variant featuring a twin-turbo V6 with an electric boost, delivering roughly 430 horsepower and exceptional torque distribution. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but Ford offers an advanced all-wheel drive system for those who want maximum traction. The suspension has been retuned specifically for the pickup's dual purpose: on-road performance and off-road toughness. The result is a vehicle that can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in around 4.3 seconds, yet haul over 1,200 pounds in the bed without breaking a sweat. Ford's adaptive dampers adjust in real time, making it as comfortable on the highway as it is capable on dirt trails. Steering feedback is sharp and precise, reminding you at every turn that no matter its body type, this is still a Mustang at heart. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup is expected to start around $48,000 for the base model and climb to $68,000 for the top-tier performance trim. The hybrid and V8 versions sit in the mid to high range depending on configuration. Considering its mix of capability, luxury, and raw performance, that price feels surprisingly competitive. Ford is clearly aiming this not just at traditional truck buyers, but at those who crave something unique. A lifestyle machine that can flex muscle on the weekends and still handle real work when needed. If you're someone who's always admired the Mustang, but wished it offered more practicality, this truck might just be your dream come true. It's bold, innovative, and carries that unmistakable Ford DNA of power and purpose. However, it's not without questions. Traditionalists might struggle to accept a Mustang badge on a pickup, and its fuel economy won't be the strongest in the lineup. But what you gain is unmatched charisma and a driving experience unlike anything else in the segment. So would I recommend the 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants to stand out, who appreciates performance, but also values functionality. It's not just a car, and it's not just a truck. It's an evolution of both worlds, wrapped in pure American attitude. And that brings us to the end of this review. The 2026 Ford Mustang Pickup is proof that innovation sometimes means breaking your own rules. It's a bold experiment that challenges conventions and delivers something fresh and thrilling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive car reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think of this wild Mustang transformation. Would you drive one, or do you think Ford went too far? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your spirits high. See you in the next video.